Hi, welcome back to this edition of Foodie Friday at the Box Springs Library. I'm Miss Teresa, and I'm going to show you how to make a cheesy Christmas tree bread. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so for your Christmas tree cheese bread, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a rolling pin. You're going to need a pan to cook it in, obviously. You're going to need some flour just for rolling out your pizza dough. You're going to need a refrigerated pizza dough. You're going to need some spray for your pan. You're going to need some butter. We're going to melt it to go over the top. You're going to need any spices that you have. And then you're going to need your cheese. Now, I got this recipe from a Gouda Life. She used just string cheese. You can do that, but I found this at my local store, so I'm going to be using this, okay? So give me a minute and we'll be right back. Okay, first thing we're going to do is open up our butter. You're going to use this just to brush on the top of your Christmas tree. So I wouldn't use more than a half a stick of butter. I'm just going to put that in there. Ooh, put that in there. And then we're going to add our spices here. And then we're going to microwave it. So that way it'll be ready to brush on. So this is just some Italian seasoning. And then I have some onion powder. Alright. Measure with your heart. Okay? We're going to put this in the microwave and then we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to get ready for the pizza part. So we just have some flour and we're going to put it down on our board. And make sure you always flour your rolling pin, okay? Alright. So now we're going to open the pizza dough. So now we're just going to spread this out. And you see it's quite small. We're going to roll it out so that way we'll be able to cut some squares out of it, okay? So you should be able to get around 30 to 32 squares, okay? Or rectangles. And you only want them enough to cover your little cubes of cheese, okay? So keep that in mind. Okay, so I have it all rolled out. You do see there's a hole there. We're going to work around that. You deal with the cards you're dealt. Now, I forgot my pizza cutter. You definitely need a pizza cutter to cut your lines. I forgot mine, so we're going to do a knife. You need five pieces going this way, and then you're going to need 6 pieces going that way. That'll give you 30 pieces, okay? So just about the size of the piece of cheese. Remember, dough does stretch, so it will stretch over this. We'll be right back. Okay, I have all my pieces cut up. Now we're going to take our pan and we're going to spray our pan very well with the spray. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to do this off camera. Now my oven is a little toaster oven, so it's smaller than your normal oven. So my pan is a quarter size pan. So you're going to be able to get as much as your pan will allow. So just keep that in mind, okay? So we take a piece of cheese. And then we just grab a piece of the dough. Put the cheese in the middle and just wrap it around. Roll it into a ball. And then put it down to start. So as the Christmas tree grows, you're going to start with 1, then 2 under, and then so on and so forth as far as your Christmas tree goes. Now cut your Christmas tree off about here because you want the part, the stem of the tree, the stalk of the tree, however you want to call it, you want that part down here, okay? So because you want to make it look like a Christmas tree and not just like a diamond or something like that. So we're going to continue on, and I'll be back. Alright guys, we're wrapping up the last one, rolling it up. Now my pan only allowed for 6 across. Remember I said cook to your pan's size. So this is my Christmas tree. Now we're going to take the butter and herb mixture. We're going to brush on top. Get them all coated. And then we're going to put this in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes, okay? Your oven may vary, so please keep an eye on it. You want the dough to be cooked, but you don't want your cheese to be completely melted. Okay? Alright. When it comes out, we'll rebrush it with this butter, so don't throw it away. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is my Christmas tree cheese bread. It just came out of the oven. We're going to brush it again with that that herb butter. Get it all in there. Get it all well and coated. Now you could easily turn this into a sweet dish. You could use cinnamon rolls and roll them out just like we did the pizza roll. You could use biscuits, and then the filling you would do like chocolate or little caramel bites. So you could even do some marshmallows and kind of make a s'more pizza, so s'more Christmas tree, any way you want to do it. So, and this is perfect for any Christmas parties you have, even New Year's, anything like that. So there you go. I hope you enjoy. Thank you again for joining us for this edition of Foodie Friday at the Box Springs Library. I hope you enjoyed making your Christmas tree cheese bread. Remember to like, share, comment. We love seeing your creations. And until next time, bon appetit.